What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. Alright, and for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the loves. Thanks for checking me out. So please consider subscribing and leave me a comment, and then smash that thumbs up button for me. Alright, I appreciate that, y'all. Now, today I'm making some crispy buffalo baked fries. Now, there's a little recipe on the back of the little package I've been wanting to try. These little sliced potatoes, you know, and it takes some butter, and take a little cayenne, and celery, and a little onion. I'm guessing it's a take on little buffalo winglets with a little chip. We're going to see. All right, so let's get started. Now, like I said, we got some butter. I think it was like 3 tablespoons of that. I had ingredients, or when you buy that package, just sliced potatoes. If you decide to, the recipe's on the back of it, okay? But these little potatoes are a little flimsy to me. I don't know if they're gonna make it, or maybe I should slice my own potatoes and give them a little thickness. But like I said, we got that Kanye. I'm still saying it. Cayenne pepper, Lord. All right, and some honey. Now I took 3 tablespoons of that. And it said 3 tablespoons of the pepper, and then I think it was like 1 teaspoon of celery seed. Okay, and then we're just gonna blend it all in. Now the butter is melted. Like I said, I think I mentioned I had 4 tablespoons. You melt it and you just blend it in, and then we're gonna pour it over the potatoes. But I want to taste it first, see what it tastes like. Yeah, it's a little different. Okay, buttery, honey, peppery, just imagine that. I don't taste the celery seed, but I'm gonna add some more pepper in here. All right, this cayenne pepper. And so we're gonna whisk it up. All right, we got the cayenne. Okay, I got it. Now I'm gonna pour it over this. It's a little thick. Now I'm digging the thickness of it. Maybe using it to put over meat or something. I don't know about the potatoes. Maybe marinating it over some chicken wings or something like that. I don't know. And baking it. It's missing something. All right, so with my gloves on, and be gentle, because they're gonna break apart. They breaking apart. How you gonna mix all this in here? I don't understand this recipe. I don't know. But I'm gonna keep going. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Yeah, I think cutting my own slices of potatoes would be a little bit better for this. I think so. And many matter of fact, the pictures look like they're a little thicker too. They may not even use these. You know how they do. Alright, so wait a minute, I gotta put some oil down here on the pan. It said a little oil. I guess that'll help it crispy it up and fry it a little bit. But with all that butter on there, I don't think you needed it. But anyway, we're gonna lay that down and slice. I'm not even gonna bore you because I had to do 2 different pans of this, layering this, and some of them pieces wasn't gonna make it, but I had to keep them. Alright, now I'm adding a little more pepper on here. Now I didn't say do that, but I'm doing it, alright? Because I'm telling you, I think it's missing something. All right, so I'm put these in the oven. 35 minutes, 15 minutes later, they looking like this. I'm flipping them. They wilted. I don't know what's going on. Some of them kind of look like they ready, but okay. I just want to thank y'all right now for watching this, because in a second, you get ready to see what these jokers turned out after I put them back in the oven, because they just wasn't looking right. I'm sorry. This recipe will not be made again. So, but you never know. You gotta try something. So, here you go. They look like fried potatoes, really. See, they look like they're on the right, the crispy buffalo bake. That's what they're supposed to look like. And by the way, they did not taste good at all. It just tastes like a bunch of honey and pepper. Ugh, it wasn't good at all. Thank y'all for watching What You Cooking, Roach. Till next time. Bye-bye.